Most tire inflators sold online are overpriced gimmicks built to fail inside a year. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud for years. Ever tried inflating a tire and watched it take forever or fail mid-fill? This video will help you pick a reliable inflator so you never overpay again. Today, I'm going to be going over the best tire inflators that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the PULITUO Tire Inflator. From the moment you unbox it, this compact inflator feels ready for practical use by everyday drivers seeking quick tire top-ups. This lightweight unit borrows a sturdy shell from durable plastics and a streamlined silhouette, designed to fit trunk compartments without obstructing other tools. It plugs directly into a vehicle's 12-volt outlet, providing steady corded power, ideal for cars, SUVs, motorcycles, and small commercial fleets. An auto shutoff feature locks in the exact target pressure, and a digital pressure gauge shows the reading with real-time precision. With a generous 10-foot cord and 40-centimeter hose, the unit reaches every wheel without moving the vehicle, reducing setup friction. An integrated 20-lumen LED light illuminates the valve area during nocturnal inflations, improving accuracy while roadside or garage operations continue. Its performance remains steady under real-world loads, delivering consistent airflow without overheating during longer inflation sessions too. Factory tested from 0 to 37 psi in under 5 minutes, showing rapid inflation for typical passenger tires during routine maintenance. Accuracy matters, and the digital gauge promises plus/minus 1.5 psi, ensuring you inflate to exact specifications rather than guesswork. With a stated maximum of 150 psi, this inflator handles a wide range of vehicles while maintaining safety margins. Compared with popular ePauto 12-volt inflators, the PULITUO leans on automatic shutoff and a longer hose for easier multi-wheel setup. The pros include auto shutoff, precise digital gauge, and long-reach hose. The cons include needing a 12-volt outlet and lacking a built-in battery option. Marketplace data shows a competitive price at $16.99 with a rating near 4.4 out of 5. This model suits budget-minded motorists who want portable, reliable roadside inflating power for occasional maintenance and road trips. At number 4, we have the AstroAI AIRUN H. From the moment you handle it, this compact inflator promises user-friendly operation for everyday drivers and weekend adventurers alike. Constructed with tough ultra technology and powder metallurgy, this inflator emphasizes durability that thrives under repeated use and demanding roadside demands. Its lightweight, compact silhouette fits glove compartments and trunks, letting you carry a capable compressor without sacrificing vehicle space. Programmable inflation with preset pressures via the M button, plus and minus controls to set target values before operation. Power comes from a 12-volt cigarette lighter outlet and a 9.8-foot cord. A backlit digital display guides you in low light, and the independent LED flashlight assists nighttime roadside checks. The unit provides 4 pressure units along with automatic shutoff when the preset threshold is met. In real-world trials, inflation times were competitive, delivering rapid inflation while maintaining accurate pressure readings under varied tires. The built-in LED light and backlit display reduce risks during night road assistance and emergency tire maintenance. During long-term testing, the tough ultra materials show slower wear, preserving seal integrity and consistent output across hundreds of inflations. Compared with budget inflators, this unit feels notably more robust and reliable during high-stress roadside events. Considering the affordable price and strong user reviews, the AIRUN H presents exceptional value for emergency roadside preparedness. In a head-to-head comparison with a typical budget inflator, the AIRUN H edges ahead on durability and automatic safety features. The pros include durable tough ultra construction, auto shutoff, and backlit display. The cons include dependence on vehicle power for operation and a somewhat bulkier footprint compared with compact rivals. At number 3, we have the CRAFTSMAN Tire Inflator, a compact cordless device designed for quick roadside inflation and everyday tire care. Road-friendly buyers seeking dependable solutions will appreciate the CRAFTSMAN Tire Inflator's ultra-portable profile, cordless operation, and effortless setup for quick tire checks. Built with a rugged shell and compact silhouette, it feels sturdy in hand and weighs about 1.28 pounds. Featuring a tire pressure gauge and LED light, it inflates to 150 psi while powered by a 6,000 mAh battery. Versatile mode options include 4 preset inflation styles for cars, bikes, motorcycles, and balls, plus a manual custom mode for precise targets. Despite its feature richness, the unit stays lightweight and compact, making it easy to store under a seat or in the trunk. On the design front, a clear LED display shows real-time pressure, and the auto shutoff ensures safe, controlled stops at target values. During tests, the inflator reliably lifted a standard tire from 30 to 36 psi in seconds, confirming practical, rapid performance. Real-world usage shows the battery holds up well for a single tire, though multiple tires in rapid succession will require a recharge. The device offers 4 preset inflation modes, plus a customizable target for inflation objects, making it flexible for cars, bikes, motorcycles, and balls. An LED display shows accurate live tire pressure and preset targets, while auto shutoff prevents overinflation once the goal is reached. Compared with a leading rival, the CRAFTSMAN tire inflator offers longer battery life and faster inflation, making it a stronger road trip companion. Real-world usage confirms dependable performance with a bright LED real-time screen and USB Type-C charging for trips. The pros include exceptionally long battery life, a lightweight build, and a bright LED display that delivers fast, clear pressure readings. The cons include a higher price relative to basic inflators and a potential limitation on power for very large tires. At number 2, we have the AstroAI H2 Pro. The design offers a compact form factor with an integrated storage compartment that keeps nozzles organized for on-the-go use. Tough Ultra technology strengthens the core components, delivering up to 60% longer service life and improved wear resistance across tough inflation sessions. Capable of reaching up to 150 psi, it inflates from 0 to 36 psi in about 4 minutes. Powered by a rechargeable lithium battery and a 12-volt DC input, it offers cordless freedom or extended operation when connected. Real-world testing confirms dependable performance across cars, motorcycles, and bicycles, with consistent inflation speeds and accurate readings under dynamic conditions. The LED display clearly shows current and preset pressure at once, supporting PSI, bar, kPa, and kg per square centimeter. For routine tire maintenance, topping a tire from 30 to 36 psi takes under a minute, making quick adjustments effortless. The device is compact and portable with an integrated accessory compartment and a dedicated storage bag for easy transport. The weight is optimized for one-handed operation, while a comfortable handle allows extended use during roadside tasks and emergencies. Compared to the AIRUN H, the H2 Pro adds a rechargeable battery and longer runtime, delivering greater versatility in off-vehicle use. The pros include strong build quality, exceptionally long cordless runtime, and highly versatile dual power options that adapt to any roadside scenario. The cons include premium price and a modest learning curve for optimizing presets and navigating the multiple units and modes. In summary, the AstroAI H2 Pro offers a compelling blend of portability, power, and smart features for on-the-go tire maintenance. At number 1, we have the ETENWOLF VORTEX S6. This rugged exterior pairs a brushed aluminum shell with protective bumpers, delivering a premium and durable look for daily use. It weighs 2.4 pounds, making it easy to carry and store in a trunk or workshop corner. The ultra-fast inflation capability reaches 1.5 CFM at 0 psi, or 42 liters per minute, enabling rapid fills even on larger tires. 100% duty cycle is ensured by the dual-cylinder and dedicated cooling system, allowing continuous inflation for multiple tires. A built-in 19,200 mAh lithium battery powers extended sessions and doubles as a USB-C power bank for external devices. A USB-C 45-watt dual-direction fast charging port supports both rapid charging and powering external devices from the inflator. 7 preset modes with memory for target pressures simplify inflating different tires and inflatables with minimal setup. The built-in 1000 lumen LED light provides ample illumination for nighttime work and can double as a camping lantern. The auto stop feature halts inflation automatically when the set target pressure is reached, preventing overfill. In testing, the unit achieves about 42 liters per minute at 0 psi, which translates to quick and confident fills for most passenger tires. Its 19,200 mAh capacity translates to multiple tire inflations on a single charge, ideal for road trips, fleets, or long maintenance sessions. In a side-by-side with a traditional portable inflator, the ETENWOLF VORTEX S6 benefits from a dual-cylinder design, delivering faster fills and more durable operation. The pros include long battery life, auto stop, and 7 preset modes. The cons include a higher price and heavier weight than compact rivals.